Hey guys, we are going to show you how rust can be removed off of painted surfaces, or really anything. I did it yesterday on a rug and got rust off a rug and didn't damage the color of it or anything like that. So here we go. So there is the painted surface. Let me adjust my there we go, I can see a little better now. Alright, so there's the painted surface, which is rust or battery acid, any one of those. And we just kind of spray on a little chemical. The chemical is called F9. I'm not sure what's in it, but it's pretty amazing stuff. As you can see, like right before your eyes, it's starting to clear up. And in about 10 to, I say 15 to 20 minutes, it should be gone pretty much. You see it kind of dissolving right there, but it's not affecting the paint. You see it's still white there. It really don't take that much. I'm just putting a lot on so you can see it be removed. And we do that first, and we come back. We pressure wash it first, clean it up, and then we come back and wash it off. But look at that. See if I can grab